In this video, I will show you how to flush DNS cache in Windows using both CMD and PowerShell. In command prompt, you can type ipconfig/displaydns to view the current DNS cache. And this is all the sites that this computer have accessed recently, and we can clear them using the command ipconfig/flushdns. And now if we check the DNS cache again, there's no entries. And if we access a site again, for example google.com, now there should be at least one entry again. Here the record for google.com and its IP address. The ipconfig command works on both CMD and PowerShell, but PowerShell has its own set of commands, and for view the DNS cache, command is Get-DnsClientCache. To clear the DNS cache, you can type Clear-DnsClientCache, and that's how we clear DNS cache in Windows using CMD and PowerShell.